Welcome to this instructional video on how to use the Col8 mobile app. Currently available on iOS for Apple devices. It can be found in the App Store by searching for Col8. Once you've downloaded it, you can either register or sign in within the app. To register, you can either connect with your Strava account or you can sign up with an email address. I'm going to sign in with my email address. Now we see the front screen. This is where you'll see all of your logs. Here we can see the settings menu where we can select our units of measure. So I'm going to go for miles an hour and feet. We can also select the mapping sensitivity. By default it's set to detailed. This is very good for high resolution mapping and lots of accelerometer points to get a very detailed understanding of your route. But obviously this uses slightly more battery. We have what we call all-day mode, and that will allow you better battery life in exchange for a slightly less detailed map. You can also log out down the bottom. So we're going to produce our first route. The first time that you open up the application, it will prompt you to allow the device access to your location. Obviously we need this to be able to log your location accurately. So if you can click yes. So select your sport. We're going to go for road biking today and get started. So we are going to go for a nice decent ride and come back in a minute when we're finished and show you how to continue. Okay, so now we've decided to finish our route. We can either pause or finish. I'm going to finish this route. Yep, we're all done. So this is an opportunity now to give it a bit of a name. So I'm going to call this Great Ride in SF. And I'm going to keep this public, and then I'm going to save it. So by saving it, this stores the route back into the application for later, so you can do as many routes as you'd like without synchronizing, and then do this later. So to synchronize it, we go back into our route, and we can have another look around it. Yep. And then we can synchronize. And then that is it. Everything is done and uploaded to the server.